What's up, flute players? We're going to look at the song Looking Up in Smart Music. This is going to be for the end of the week. So, number one, when you look at it, the first thing you're going to see is you're going to see this note right here. Now, in Smart Music, if you click on the note and then click on the four buttons right here, it'll actually show you how to finger it. This is the top-down perspective when you're looking at the flute. So, if you look at these buttons, this is the left hand. So, it's nothing, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in the right hand, pinky in the right hand, thumb. Okay, we talked about this in the last video, but basically what that looks like is left hand, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and pinky. And don't forget about our lovely thumb, the long one right here. Okay, and that's going to be the only note we play in this entire song. So that's number one. That's how you finger it. If you click on this button here, it will show you how it sounds. Okay, that's loud. Great. So you can tell where the sound is supposed to be. All right. This is a flat symbol, this little B thingy. So this is on the fourth space up, and it says that it's an E flat or a D sharp. That little hashtag looking thing is called a sharp. We call it the flat sign more times than not in band speak. So we'll think of this as an E flat. Okay, say that with me, E flat. All right, so these four notes are all E flats. E flat. The next thing that you need to understand is that these are whole notes. Now, we haven't talked about whole notes yet in band, but whole notes are the longest denomination of notes that we're going to see for a long time. Whole note lasts for 4 beats. Okay, so when you're listening to the metronome, it'll sound like this. Without the jitters from me hitting myself. Try that with me. Ready, go. All right, so that's a whole note. This thing here is a, what do you think? Whole rest? Yes, it's a whole rest. So this is a, how many beats do you think that is? Right, 4. So whole note, whole rest. Okay, so 4 beats on, 4 beats off. 4 beats on, 4 beats off. Okay, you get the idea. So the main thing I want to hear from this from you when you're recording is a steady airstream and playing the full value of the note. So when you go to play, make sure it's all right. If you go like this, that's not great. Or that's not great either. We want a steady tone. Remember, closed position with the lips. And blow it apart to try to make that happen easier. All right, let's try it together. Here's how it'll sound when you go to record, okay? Metronome set for that tempo. That's probably going to be fine. Here we go. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear that over the thing. So why don't we talk about the accompaniment for these things? The accompaniment are super fun sometimes. Sometimes it's super in the way. So if I were you, I would turn that accompaniment down and leave the metronome on and just try it again. Let's do that one more time together. if that first time didn't take, that one probably did. Okay, guys. So that's how you're going to play it. Make sure you hit the record button when it sounds good and you get all the right notes. You can hit submit, and then you're good, okay? Thanks so much. Hope you had fun, and I look forward to listening to you.